Car headrest pillows are a small, high-impact upgrade for long drives, daily commutes, and rideshares. They can reduce neck strain, improve posture, and make naps behind the wheel more comfortable, all while occupying a relatively modest portion of the cabin. In this review, I evaluated 5 popular options across a price range from budget to premium, focusing on memory foam performance, ergonomic design, cover materials, durability. Product number 1. Crofy 2-Pack Car Neck Pillow. Crofy's 2-Pack offers a memory foam-based neck support with an emphasis on ergonomic neck alignment and adjustable strap stability. The product uses a memory foam fill with a removable, machine-washable knitted fabric cover. Each pillow weighs around 13.8 ounces and measures roughly 9.08 by 9.8 inches with an overall soft to medium feel. A key selling point is the dual pack setup, which allows matching support on both seats or a shared purchase for better value at $29.99. In daily use, the Crofy pillows deliver firm support due to the memory foam core, helping users maintain cervical alignment and reduce shoulder tension on long drives. The elastic strap with a secure buckle helps prevent slippage, a common problem with passive headrest cushions. The cover's breathable knit fabric improves moisture management, though the dry clean instruction for the foam core suggests careful maintenance. The product's simple installation makes it a practical upgrade for most vehicles, including cars and trucks. Product number 2. 2-Pack Car Headrest Pillow for Neck Support. SPR FFY's pack includes 2 memory foam neck pillows with a streamlined S shape and a breathable, removable cover. Each pillow measures 12.2 by 4.72 by 6.88 inches, and the package includes 2 eye masks, adding a sleep support feature for long trips. The set is priced at $32.99, positioning it as a premium option within the range and emphasizes memory foam comfort with machine-washable covers. In practice, the S-shaped design targets neck and shoulder relief by filling the space between seat back and the neck. The dual pillows offer symmetrical support for both driver and passenger seats, and the included eye masks enhance rest potential during commutes or road trips. The packaging notes machine-washable fabric and hand wash care for the foam, which is important for maintaining hygiene on frequent use. Users with Tesla seats or seats without metal bars will appreciate the installation flexibility described. Product number 3. Wedfish 2PCS Car Headrest Cover, Soft Polyester. Wedfish presents a budget-oriented headrest cover duo rather than a neck support pillow. These covers are designed to protect headrests from wear and add a touch of style, with a black body and red accents. Sized at 10.43 inches by 9.05 inches, they fit most headrests, but explicitly exclude one-piece seat headrests. The covers are machine washable and are easy to install thanks to elastic bands. While these are not memory foam pillows, they offer a practical upgrade for interior aesthetics and headrest longevity. The soft polyester provides breathability and skin friendliness for extended driving sessions. Installation is straightforward and maintenance is simple, making them a good pairing with any memory foam pillow if you want a uniform look across seats. The main limitation is that they do not provide cervical support themselves, so users seeking neck relief should pair these with a separate neck pillow. Product number 4. Samsonite Neck Pillow for Car. Samsonite's neck pillow is a compact memory foam cushion designed for universal vehicle compatibility. It features a 100% polyester cover over a memory foam core with a simple rectangular shape and an adjustable strap to lock it in place on any headrest. At $17.99, it sits in the mid to budget range with a recognized brand pedigree. The cover is removable for cleaning, and the pillow aims for all-day comfort with a focus on posture support rather than decorative features. The pillow's strength lies in its dependable memory foam core and secure strap, which minimizes movement on bumpy roads. The ergonomic contour is designed to reduce neck strain during long drives, and the compact form makes it suitable for shorter trips where bulkier pillows would be uncomfortable. Its machine-washable cover makes upkeep straightforward, though some users may desire a more contoured shape for personalized neck support. Product number 5. Wigu 2026 Upgrade Car Neck Pillow. No more pressure. Wigu's 2-pack emphasizes high-density memory foam with a focus on breathability and odor-free materials. It uses a 100D memory foam core engineered for rapid rebound and even support, with a breathable fabric that utilizes an ice yarn technology to stay cool. The set includes 2 pillows and an adjustable strap, packaged in a way that targets universal fit across vehicles, including the latest Tesla models as noted. The cover is removable and machine washable, while the foam core itself should not be machine washed. In use, Wigu's pillows aim to balance firmness and comfort, offering enough rigidity to maintain cervical curvature without pushing the neck forward. The skin-friendly, odor-free materials and the attention to breathability address common complaints about heat and odor in car pillows. The 2-pack option makes it a compelling option for households with multiple vehicles or shared use, though the memory foam core means you'll need to spot clean or hand wash the cover to keep the pillow fresh.